Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new on this channel, thanks for tuning in. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel if you find it interesting. So I'm on my way to the farm. I want to plant corn this August. Okay, so the other one that was planted has been harvested. Now we need to plant what we call August corn. So I'm heading to the farm right now. The road is so bushy. My husband is there spraying. He's spraying the grass. I'm going to join him. By next week, we'll start the planting. So that's our farm that he's spraying now. This is our neighbor's farm. So it is so bushy right now. You guys, these plantain suckers were planted 2 weeks ago. They are really growing so fast. These cocoyams were already here in the farm. One thing with cocoyam, even if you clear the whole thing down, they will still germinate. That's how cocoyam is until you uproot everything from the roots, then they will not germinate. That's the cocoa farm I went to the other time. I think I haven't uploaded that video yet. Yes, I want to go into cocoa farming. I went there to do some survey. Spraying. Ashaho. Good. No. No. So when are we going to start planting? Okay, so next week we'll be planting and I'll take you guys along. I'll show you guys from the beginning or from start to finish. I'll show you guys the progress of the farm. We'll be planting vegetable as well. So what you're seeing here is the boundary. This is how people separate their plots. This is what they plant. They call this peace plants for sure. Yeah, that's peace plants. This is how you separate your plot from your neighbors. So you see this line, the straight line that you see the peace plant means the other plot belongs to another person. We have this pawpaw tree here. I'm so happy for this. I'll be harvesting. This is firewood. We'll be cooking here in the farm. I'll film my cooking videos here in the farm. When we start planting, we'll be cooking as well. So that's firewood, cocoa tree, what some people call cacao. I don't know if it's cacao. Pronunciation differs, so I call it cocoa. Yeah, that's the peace plants. I'm loving these plantain suckers. They are growing so fast. Just last 2 weeks. Plantain takes only 9 months to be ready. Cocoa tree has a lot of cocoa pods. In 6 months time, the cocoa will be harvested. That's a very big cocoa farm you're seeing there. It's a very big cocoa farm. Let me go closer. You can see the cocoa there, the cocoa pods. You can see them. This is a very huge peace plant. So the one that we harvested and we cleared, some is already germinating, as you can see. Next week we'll be planting some more. I'll be going for snail hunting. We eat snails. Yes, snail is a source of income for some people. They just go for hunting, snail hunting. They pick them and sell. Today's weather is so dull, but I like it. I like the weather. It makes banana has been pushed down by wind. Now it's rainy season, so I'll be putting this because we'll be putting here in the farm. Some days ahead, I like to carry you guys along, show you guys our planting season, what we'll be planting this August. I would have loved to plant vegetable, but unfortunately vegetables do not do well during the rainy season. There are a few vegetables that will do well in the rainy season. Hey guys, I just found a snail. That's a snail there. Oh my goodness, I'm going to pick it. I don't know if you guys can see, so that's my snail. I'll be going for snail hunting. You can see the snail over there. Hey guys, so this is the snail. This is my own snail. I'll be looking for more. People usually go for snail hunting at night. They can pick up to 3 buckets. So if I want to look for snails, I can look for it in plantain leaves, plantain trees. Everywhere you find plantain or banana, snails will always be there. But I'm scared. I'm so scared of one thing. What I'm scared of is snake. I'm so scared of snake. That's why I might not be going for this snail hunting. Can you guys identify these plants? Has so many health benefits, but we are still going to spray it because we need to get rid of all the grass, the sticks, the bushes everywhere. This water leaf, I'll be using it because we'll be spraying this area as well. So I have a little garden I'll plant it there. This is the water leaf. I'll be taking it to my garden at home. Hey guys, so we are done for today. It's about to rain. You know, August weather, it's always so rainy. So we are going home because it's about to rain right now. I just uprooted this water leaf. I'll be taking it to my little garden at home. I'll be replanting it there. You know, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. We are not supposed to be here just because my husband wanted to spray the farm. I just came here to accompany him. So right now it's a wrap for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel, thumbs up this video, on your notification bell so that each time I upload you get notified. I'll be giving you guys updates concerning this farm. I'll be taking you guys along the planting period and eventually the harvesting period. So see you guys on my next video. Bye.